Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to another lovely tutorial where I'll be showing you how to apply for a loan and get paid in 5 minutes. Okay, so this is one of the latest ways to cash out, make some money, get emotion. So take your time and follow the steps I'll be showing you in the tutorial so you can cash out. So basically, you're going to be needing a fool's info, name, address, SSN, and DOB. And secondly, you're going to need a bank account info. Take note, you cannot use prepaid cards. Okay, you cannot use prepaid cards for this. You need a bank account. All right. So now, once you've gotten all that, you can see you now basically need to go to the website where you'll be applying for the loan. So the name of the website is opportune.com. I will leave it in link in my description. Okay, so you go to this link. You can do this on your mobile device with a good VPN or on your computer, laptop, Mac, whichever. So this is what the interface looks like on my computer device. Okay, opportune. So and they are basically um, uh, um, they basically deal with giving out loans to people that are in need of it. Anyway, so back to the tutorial. So now once you get to this website opportune, in this case, I used my phone for the application. Okay, and I actually recommend you use your phone. All right, so you click on apply now, and then it's going to take you to the next page. Okay, now take note, not all states are eligible for this loan. Okay, so before you purchase fools, you need to check if the fools, okay, is accepted. Okay, now I'll be leaving the link below so where you can actually check the zip code of your fools to see if that state is eligible. Okay, so this is the site. I've just opened the link. You use this to check whether the zip code you want to apply with is eligible for, you know what I'm saying, for the loan. Okay, so if your fools is eligible, it will show accepted on this website once you put it and then search. Okay, so the fools will show up as accepted. Otherwise, it's going to be rejected because the state is not eligible for the loan. All right, so yeah, back to the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, leave a like, share. So basically, once you've confirmed that your fools is eligible for the loan, you proceed to the next step. Okay, now you fill in your name and other info. Now, the boxes that have asterisk in them are the important ones. The other boxes are optional. You do not need to put any information. But if there is an asterisk, that means it's necessary putting the right information in that box. Okay, so when you do that, you submit and then you put in the phone number and choose cell phone and choose cell as your option. Take note, you put in your phone number, choose cell as an option. Now, you don't have to worry about how you come about getting your SIM number. They accept VoIP, Google Voice, or whichever number it is you use applying. They do not really check the number service. You can use text now, Google Voice, Hush, as you can see. Even any VoIP number, you understand what I'm saying? So that's how it basically works. So you want to choose 6 to 12 months. That's how long you'll be on that plan. You make sure you follow me step by step. All right. So on the next page, choose personal or household needs and click next. So you're basically going to choose personal or household needs in that drop down box. Okay, use that and click next. All right, then, and then you'll be taken to this page where you put in all of your fool's information. So you put address there, date you moved there can be any date between 2005 and 2018. Take note, okay? The dates you put there must be between 25 and 218, 2005 and 2018. In my case, I use 2006. You can use 27, you can use 28, so 2008 rather. Okay, so that's basically how it works. And then you click next, and then it's going to take you to the next page. For the monthly take home pay, write any amount above 4K, but it should be less than 5K. So you're allowed to choose how much you'll be getting paid. So basically you need to put in your SSN or TIN and then put in the amount. I recommend you follow my instructions, put 4,000. Okay, so there are suspicions and always. Now, once your SSN is good or hasn't been used before, you'll be pre-qualified for the loan automatically. Take note, if your SSN was correct one, it has not been used, it's fresh, you'll definitely be qualified for the loan. So yeah, now to this next page, you can choose the same info as I have done. Okay, so basically want to just copy all of the answers I put in here. Okay, what are your housing payments? You want to set that to 1060. You can make it 15, okay, but keep it at 1060. Now your how many dependents? You just use 0. Do you have a bank account? Yes. Okay. Do you normally pay a check cashing fee? No. Have you ever used the payday lending? No. Okay. So remember this is a loan we're applying for. Okay. So you'll be taken to this next page. Do you have any other monthly debts? No. So basically just want to follow the instructions you see on my screen. So now next you'll be taken to this page where you need to fill in information about your personal details. So whatever amount you choose for monthly income will be divided into 4 and be paid to you weekly. So you choose self-employed, a retail department store. How long have you been receiving this income? Make sure it is between 215 and 218. Okay, like I said below, so you can see I choose April 218. All right, so then the amount turns out to be 1,125. Okay, so let's keep going. All right, so you are making progress with the loan application. As long as your full is legit, you're good. Now you will get a pre-approval loan amount based on the information you gave. Now I want to emphasize something here. I've got another PDF, a private PDF that will enable you to get up to $50,000 on loan. Okay, okay. It's a strategy I'm gonna show you. That's why I said it's a private PDF. So if you're interested in that, you just DM me for that. Okay. In this case, the loan that has been offered to me is about 2,600. Okay, but if you want yours to get about 50,000, 100,000, you DM me for the private PDF. So I'll show you how to go about it. Okay. So now move to the next page. Now you will then be asked to link your bank account to receive the payment. If you're unable to link your bank, they will ask for documents. Make sure the name on the bank matches with the fools. Now I'm going to emphasize this. When you want to apply, the fools you're even applying needs to match the name of the bank. Okay, all right, it has to match the name of the bank. So now you basically want to choose how you want to put in your bank account, whether you want to connect or add your bank account manually. Okay, You can see that whether you either you either add your bank account manually or you connect your bank using Plate. I would actually add mine manually. Now the money will be paid directly into your account. You can see the money has been sent, direct deposit progress, fame 1046. Okay, that is basically the loan that has been sent to your account. And that's basically how you apply for a personal loan easily and get some motion, make some money. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.